Today, I'll show you how to add a clean and simple text watermark to your video, a great way to brand your content or prevent unauthorized use. Let's get started. First, head over to the text tab on the left side and look for plain text. Drag it onto your timeline. Now type in your watermark. This could be your name, channel, or a short handle. You can also reposition it in the preview window to place it in a corner or wherever you prefer. Next, on the right side panel, click Adjust Colors. Here's where the magic happens. Use the transparency slider to make your watermark subtle but still visible. Somewhere around 70 to 90 usually works great. It depends on your video background. Once you're happy with the placement and transparency, you're all set. And that's it. You've added a professional looking text watermark in Clipchamp. If this helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tips.